ये जनाब Acadia National Park it's a walking trail about 2 miles long और ये one of the favorite activities of people coming here to walk it through the jungle. It's not only through the jungle, rather it's alongside the pool. This pond, this is known as Jordan Pond. It's very clear water. It's used for drinking purposes, and you can even see 45 feet below the surface. So clear water. So this is the jungle, and now we have started on the boardwalk. Now it's a boardwalk. Made it easy for people to walk into. Oh, गुलरियाँ हो गई स्क्विरल्स की लड़ाई हो गई है. यहाँ पे जनाब अगली पार्टी को जगह देनी है एक साइड पे हो गए.